I have a new vintage recipe to share with you today, so if you're interested, keep on watching. It's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Gold. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, it's been a hot minute since I have done a throwback vintage recipe for you all. Like I guess about 2 or 3 weeks ago, my sister Nick had sent me a text with a recipe that she found in a really old cookbook, like 1960s, from her old work that she had. And she was like, have you ever had this? This sounds interesting. I'm kind of curious about it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so simple and easy to make. This would be perfect for a throwback recipe from one of my videos. So thanks, Nick. I'm going to make it today and share with you. I'm going to take it to work and have everybody tell me what they think about it, and that way we'll know whether we're going to keep it or throw it back, and you'll find out at the end of this video whether or not we're going to keep it or throw it back. So Nick, this is dedicated to you. So let me stop talking. We're going to go over all the ingredients, and I don't think I told you what I'm making. I am making a Catalina dip. Yes, that's what I said, Catalina dip, that Catalina salad dressing. Yeah, that's where it becomes interesting. So anyway, let me stop talking. We'll go over all the ingredients and we'll get started. All right, my friends, so I have some corn chips, some zesty Catalina salad dressing, 2 packages of cream cheese, and a little bit of salt. And friends, that is all the ingredients we're going to be using today. So let's get started. Friends, is that interesting? The ingredients, just 2 ingredients, well really 3 with the salt, but just 2 main ingredients, and I'm very intrigued. It sounds interesting, so let's go ahead and start making this. Alrighty, so I have 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. They have been sitting out so they could be at room temperature. And for each block of cream cheese, you want to use 1/3 of this dressing, 1/3 cup of this dressing. I am using the Kraft Zesty Catalina. You can use any brand. You can make your own or whatever. I just bought what was on sale. Alrighty, and now we're going to go ahead and mix this all together. Alrighty. Alrighty, friends. Gotta say, the color, I don't know if it's showing up well on camera, but it's like a flamingo pink. I don't know. I don't know. Doesn't smell bad, but I gotta admit, let's scrape the bottom. There's still a bit of cream cheese that's white. Gotta tell you, I'm not sure. The color is throwing me off, I gotta admit. Alrighty, now we're just gonna go ahead and add a dash of salt real quick. Just a little bit, not much. Okay. I'm just gonna mix that up really well. I probably could have added this in there when I was mixing it. Alrighty. And now we're going to go ahead and put this in a glass bowl so we can take it to work and put a lid on it. I gotta tell you, friends, this has me intrigued because the color of this, I don't know about it. Do not know. I don't know. Alrighty. Looks like strawberry fluff or something. I don't know. We'll make it into a loaf pan. Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge with the lid on it for before until I leave for work, which is about an hour and a half or so. And then I'll tray it up and put the Fritos out on the tray. And we'll do a quick taste test and let you know what I think. And then at the end of the video, I will have what everybody at work thought. I have a little piece of paper that I always ask them to let me know what they think. So I leave it with the dish, and then they'll write down their thoughts, or this just says keep or throw back. And if anybody writes their actual thoughts down, I will let you know. So there we have it. So I'll see you in a sec. Alrighty, my friends. It's been in the fridge for a little while. I'm going to be heading out to work shortly. There it is. Alright, let's go ahead, put this on the tray, put our corn chips around it, and give it a taste test. Alrighty. Let's get the bag open. And you can use veggies with this as well, crackers, whatever you want. I have a little bit left here I'm going to put out. Alright. So, let's give it a try, friends. Alright, my friends. I'm going to be honest with you, I'm a little bit nervous tasting this. I don't know why this one's bothering me, but here we go. Oh! At first it almost tasted like a barbecue Frito. Do I like it or not? It doesn't taste bad, but I did have a sinus infection and I'm still congested, so I'm a little curious if I'm not tasting it fully. It's not strong. I was expecting it to taste totally different. My first taste, I thought I was tasting a barbecue Frito. The second taste, I wasn't tasting it hardly at all. So honestly, I don't think my opinion is going to make a difference on this one, just because I think of all the congestion and the sinus infection that I've had, because I'm sure you can still hear it a little bit. So I'm going to have to pull out on the taste test on this one. It's not bad. I don't think it's horrible. Like, I was afraid to eat it. But I'm going to put my paper at work down with this and ask everybody to rate it and let me know what they think about it, and I'll let you know at the end. Man, I wish I didn't have all this going on so I could get a better taste. Ow, let me see if I can get a big scoop. Now I wonder if it would taste a lot different if it was a veggie. I don't know. That I got more of a taste of. Alright, my friends, so I am back from work and I have my little paper here. I had several people say it's a keeper. I had some people say it's okay. It's not bad, but it's not like something they would want to go out and make. And I had one person say to throw it back. They said it's okay. It's not so delicious that they would want to make it for a party. So it's kind of one of those that it's like, you know what? If you got the ingredients on hand, you need a quick dip to make for a party or something, throw it together, and boom, it's done, because you saw how simple it is. So friends, I want to ask you, have you ever had this before? If you did, please comment below and let me know what you think of it. Like I said, it's okay. It's not bad, but it's not like, oh, this is delicious. So what am I going to say? I think I'm going to go with throw it back. But let me know what you think if you've had it. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.